Another set of questions in Barnum theorem for negative or fractional indices is we need to find sum of any given series. Say for example this one 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 into 3, 3 into 6, and this series continues up to infinite. Now one way of doing it can be, I can say this is expansion of some number which is 1 plus x to the power n, and it will be 1 plus nx n minus 1 upon factorial 2 x square, and this series will continue up to infinite. So now I'll compare. So I'll get nx equals 1 by 3, and I'll also get n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into x square. I'll get it as, now 3 and 3 will cancel. I can write this value is equal to 1 by 6. Now what I'll do is I'll square it and I'll divide the second expression with the first one. So if I'll square, I'll get n square x square, and here I'll get 1 by 9. So x square will get cancelled. Now n also will get cancelled. Now this is n minus 1 upon 2n, and here will be 9 by 6, which in fact is 3 by 2. So 2 and 2 will also cancel. So I get n minus 1 equals 3n, or the value of n should be minus 1 by 2. So from here I can say the value of n should be minus 1 by 2. And if I put the value of n here, I'll get the value of x, and I'll get the value of x as minus 2 by 3. So this series is a series expansion of 1 minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 by 2, and which in this case is 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 by 2. So that will be simply under root of 3. So sum of the series is simply under root 3.